Today I'm going to show you how to add a page border to only one page in LibreOffice Writer, step by step, so you can keep the rest of your document clean while giving one page a custom framed look. This is a really useful trick for reports, cover pages, certificates, special sections, or any time you want one page to stand out. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice. From the Start screen, on the left side under Create, click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that one too. The important thing is to go to the page where you want the border to appear. You can scroll through your document and position yourself on the page you want to customize before making any changes. Now, here's the key thing to understand. If you simply add a border through the page style, that style can affect more than one page depending on how your document is set up. So if you want the border on only one page, you need to make sure that page has its own separate page style. That way, the border applies only to that single page and not to the rest of the document. To begin, click Format in the top menu, then click Page Style. This opens the page style settings for the current page. In the page style window, you'll see several tabs with different options, such as Page, Area, and Borders. Click the Borders tab. This is where you can control the outline around the page. Inside the Borders tab, you can choose the border style you want. You'll usually see options for line style, line thickness, and border placement. You can decide whether you want a full border around all four sides of the page or just certain sides. You can also choose the spacing between the border and the content if needed. Take a moment to pick the style that matches the look you want for your document. If you want the border to appear on just one page, make sure you are working with the correct page style for that page. In LibreOffice Writer, a page style can be changed or assigned so that only one page uses that layout. That's what lets you isolate the border to a single page instead of applying it everywhere. If necessary, create or use a separate page style for the page you want bordered, then apply the border settings there. Once you've selected the border style, click OK to confirm the changes. LibreOffice will apply the border to the current page style, and if that style is only used on one page, then only that page will show the border. Go back and check the page to make sure it looks the way you want. If the border appears on more than one page, that usually means the same page style is being used elsewhere, so you may need to split the page style or assign a different style to the other pages. That's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can add a page border to one page in LibreOffice Writer and make it stand out from the rest of your document. This is a great way to create a polished, professional look without changing every page in your file. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next LibreOffice tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.